Today I'm here at the special request of one of my clients. Sometimes you just have to go over and above for your clients. You have to do and go the extra mile. And this is one of those situations. I have not done signage installs or storefront installs in over 5 years. It's just not something I do anymore. But when a client is in a pinch and you have the skills, you step up to the plate and you do what needs to be done. So today we are installing all of this vinyl here on the front, on the side and on the front of the Garden of Eden building here in West Roseville, California. This is a brand new location. They have an existing business that's not too far. We've been doing a lot of work for them, from banners to signs to a new logo and even a website. So just wanted to give you guys a quick look and kind of a quick overview of what we're doing here today and kind of everything from start to finish. So with that all being said, let's go ahead and roll into it. All right, so we got these green panels almost laid on for the first bulk of windows. We got a few on this other side. These went on fairly easy. We had a little bit of issues, but we got it all handled. Now I'm gonna clean this top window because it's dirty, really dirty. Prep work is really important when it comes to laying vinyl. Vinyl installer slash window cleaner. Spray this again. It's nice and wet. The wetter, the better. All right, so next phase. This is the piece that's going above the door there. You always want to lay it on its face. You're gonna peel it away from it like this. And some people try to pull it like this. You want to lay it as flat as possible. Careful not to tear anything. Don't go too fast. All right, and like we did with the window, we're gonna spray it down good. We'll save it. We'll save it. It's all right. Thank God the heat allows this to be. Just gonna have to clean it because it hit the ground and clean off the debris. Accidents happen. Okay, spray some more. All right, all that debris is off, thank God. I'm gonna probably spray this window up top one more time because it's so hot outside. All right, here we go. Easy does it. Being careful not to scratch, not to go too hard and rip it. All right. Excess fluids out. There we go. Yo, what's up guys? So we got some logos still to stick on here. We still have some more vinyl, but we're almost done with this. I just wanted to show you guys what we are doing here. This design and this overall wrap is just to cover up the construction. But when it's all done and it's all open, I'll show you guys some footage here of what this looks like all complete. But we are super excited to be able to put this logo up on the building and to be able to design this sign for the people and our friends at Garden of Eden. So I'm Adrian Boycell. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until the next video, keep looking up.